This video shows how to do an oil change for the 2004 to 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo. The wrench used here is required for the process described. The oil change can be done without this wrench by removing the throttle bodies. We highly recommend using this wrench to save you time and trouble. First, locate the engine oil drain plug and remove it using an 8mm Allen key. Allow the oil to drain as much as possible, about 20 minutes. Put the drain plug back in place and torque to 45 Newton meters. Locate the oil reservoir drain plug. It's to the left and rear of the engine. Remove the plug and drain the oil. Put the drain plug back in place and torque to 45 Newton meters. On top of the engine, in between the throttle bodies, is the oil filter. Slip these two vacuum hoses off at their upper connection to have easier access to the filter housing. Tuck them out of the way to make a clear path to the filter. Stuff some paper towels around the filter housing to catch oil as you bring the housing out. Use the filter wrench to unscrew and remove the housing. Remove the filter from the housing by pulling straight out. You may use pliers to grip the filter. If you want to avoid damage to the filter, you can by hooking it from the inside. Replace the housing O-ring with the new one provided with the filter. Put the filter into the housing by lining up the filter with the two clips inside and snap into place. Work the filter assembly in between the throttle bodies. Screw the housing in by hand, then use the filter wrench to tighten. Slip the two vacuum hoses back into place. Fill the oil reservoir until you get a full reading on the dipstick, then start the engine for a minute to get the oil pumping into the engine. Turn the engine off and fill the reservoir again. Start the engine, verify you're seeing oil pressure, and take the car for a short drive. Check the oil after the drive. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.